Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to use select distinct in Source Qualifier Informatica. So this is the video lecture 11th of this Informatica classes. So let's see the select distinct. So for this, opening their mapping designer, let's click on this create new mapping. So m underscore select distinct underscore sq. So mapping names should be meaningful. Then after selecting this table, let's right click there and here preview data. So let's give the password, and now you can see this the record ends here. So here you can see so many records are duplicate and this records here duplicate. So with the help of this select distinct or property in source qualifier, we can remove here unnecessary data and load only the unique record with the help of this select distinct. So here by default this is marked uncheck and select distinct values only. So with the help of this will load only the unique record. Okay, so let's click on this apply and okay. Then after here let's take the target and here selecting this all, Control S to save, opening the workflow. So here opening the workflow, taking the session, and this is our mapping. Let's do some editing. So mapping here. So let's give the correct connection escort. And here if I scroll down, here you can see select distinct or property that's selected there. So this is the source qualifier properties. Let's go on this target. Here giving the connection escort. Thereafter here making normal, and thereafter here make that truncate targetable. This all okay, and thereafter let's take the task and here stabilize the link. Control S to save. Right click there and now click on this start task. So start task, here this is succeeded and let's get the session. So here if I scroll down, then you can see here this is SQL instance and here selecting distinct. So this is selecting the distinct from this all column, and here this is the table name. So select distincts. So when you check there on this source qualifier, so here or when you check there this source qualifier distinct property, then what will happen? So this will do the distincts. This will select all the columns from the source qualifier. After that, whatever the record that's getting, and here this make or distinct. So this is a making distinct on debit number, D name, and the location from the customer. Not only one particular column, this to the distinct on this all column. So that if I go on this, so let's see the preview data, give the password, and now you can see this is the record that's displaying. So here you can see this 20 one time, here 40 is twice times. So what exactly happened is there with 40. So now you can see operation. Now here the name is Boston and here Boston. So MN, there is the difference. Okay, so that it's considered as the unique record, not a duplicate record. So this or distinct property, this will make the distinct in entire columns. Okay, so if there is so same columns is there, so by selecting this you can get your only unique record. So this is considered as the unique. 14 operation Boston and here 14 operation Boston. Ton and M both are different, so that this is considered the unique. So this is the one a small example of this select distinct property in Source Qualifier. So with the help of this, we can get the unique record and this to the districts on this entire columns and return the unique record after that. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.